Brain tofu.
It was a quiet Sunday morning in the City of Angels, when all of a sudden a giant robot appeared out of nowhere. A distress call was put out to Professor Pogo and his students. Giant robot attacking! Help! The call was from the city mayor's office, and Professor Pogo and his students raced to the scene. Aha! This mechanical monstrosity bears the initials of that incorrigible delinquent, Tommy Rot.
That's right, Pogo! Try and stop me now!
Gee, what are we gonna do?
We'll blast him to kingdom come.
No. We will tie this rope from this parking meter to this fire hydrant and trip the robot, sending it crashing to the ground.
Hasta la vista, Señor Roboto.
How short do you want the rope? Aha! You have asked the right question. We will use the Pythagorean Theorem to figure it out.
Pythagorean Theorem?
Yes. The Pythagorean Theorem states that if we have a right triangle, which means a triangle with a 90-degree angle, and we know the length of two sides, we can then figure out the length of the third side. In our case, the sidewalk and the meter form a right angle. The height of the meter is 3 feet. The distance from the meter to the fire hydrant is 4 feet. So now, with this information, we can then figure out how long the rope needs to be. The Pythagorean Theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If our meter is 3 feet tall, we square the 3, which is 3 times 3, and that equals 9. Let's work on the 4. If we square the 4, that is 4 times 4, which is 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25. Now we need to find the square root of 25. What number times itself equals 25? Oh, that would be 5. Yes. This means that the hypotenuse, or the side that is opposite the right angle, is equal to 5 feet. The rope was tied from the fire hydrant to the parking meter, and when the robot took a step, it tripped and fell to the ground with a thunderous crash.
Dang-nabbit, boiled again! I'll get you next time, Pogo!
We have stopped Tommy Rot and his robot with the Pythagorean Theorem. Once again, Professor Pogo and his students have stopped the bad guy and saved the day.
Brain tofu.